Welcome to Field Tech Focus. In this video, we follow a man building his own garage using simple wooden pallets, showing how basic materials can be turned into a fully functional structure with the right approach. It all starts with preparing the ground. A gravel layer is laid first, followed by concrete work. The surface is carefully leveled to create a strong, flat foundation. Once the concrete fully cures, the base frame of the structure begins to take shape. After the base is ready, wooden pallets are brought to the site, the main building material for this project. After the base is ready, wooden pallets are brought to the site, the main building material for this project. The first row is placed carefully, forming the foundation of the walls. Each pallet is then securely fastened, with every connection point screwed tightly to improve structural strength. A second layer of pallets is added on top, gradually building height and form. While often considered low-value material, pallets prove here that with proper design and assembly, they can become a strong and practical building solution for low-cost construction. Next, wooden beams are prepared and cut to precise dimensions. These form the roof structure. As they are installed, the project starts shifting from simple walls into a complete garage. Rafters are then placed one by one and aligned carefully to ensure a straight, stable roof frame. Once completed, large OSB panels are installed over the rafters, forming a solid roof surface. Insulation is added between the beams to protect against temperature changes, followed by a final outer layer that fully closes the roof and strengthens weather resistance. Windows are installed with wooden frames, and all gaps are sealed carefully. Exterior cladding panels are then added, forming the protective outer shell of the garage against wind and weather. A protective roof coating is applied to improve durability and resistance to moisture. Inside, a heating section is prepared. Special insulation and heat-resistant layers are installed on the wall, where the stove will sit. A stove and chimney system are then fitted, ensuring safe ventilation of exhaust gases outside. Wall interiors are further insulated to improve thermal efficiency and long-term durability. At this stage, a garage door system is installed with a metal frame, allowing smooth opening and closing. Additional insulation is added throughout the structure. And OSB panels complete the interior walls, making them clean, strong, and heat resistant. Outside, the front area is prepared with weed barrier fabric and gravel, creating a clean, stable surface. Inside, a diesel heater is installed and connected properly to provide efficient heating, especially for cold conditions. The space is then transformed into a functional workshop. A workbench is built, followed by a tool storage wall where equipment is neatly organized. What started as a simple idea using discarded pallets has now become a fully functional garage and workspace. Every stage from foundation to roof to interior finishing was carefully planned and executed. If you'd like to see more work similar to this project, you can visit the original creator's YouTube channel. All credit for this build goes to them, and the full rights to the original construction footage belong to the creator. Links are available in the description.